flying for WestJet Airline. Watch as it comes in from the right to show us the Sabre bottom side silhouette. The Hawk One F-86 Sabre is owned by Vintage Wing of Canada, a private foundation based in Gatineau, Quebec. Hawk One was created 2 years ago to help celebrate the centennial of flight in Canada, and is brought to you by a unique partnership between Discovery Air, the Department of National Defense, and Vintage Wings. Now look to your left as the Sabre approaches stage center. After passing in front of you, Steve will slow down to 180 knots to prepare the Sabre for a dirty pass. In the early 1950s, Canadair Limited of Montreal manufactured over 1,800 The Hawk One team brings together a formidable group of highly experienced military and civilian professionals that includes one of Canada's most famous aviator, astronaut Chris Hadfield. Now look to the right as the Sabre will come and pull up into a barrel roll. Composed of 23 members. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sabre is now slowing down to your left in preparation for a touch and go prior to returning to Fort St. John. This concludes the Hawk One presentation. We would like to take this opportunity to wish you the best in this centennial anniversary this season. Now hold on as Captain Steve Thompson